Most banks in Arizona will tell you no when it comes to financing manufactured homes on leased land. What they don't tell you is why and who can do it.
We can!
If you're looking for a home in a land lease community, stay with us.
Because we can save you time, money, and frustration.
With over 100 years of combined experience, we do all types of manufactured homes.
We are Mohave Mortgage. We are a local broker right here in Arizona. So, Kay, tell us what a chattel loan is. It's also called a home-only loan, right?
Yes, a home-only loan is we are financing the home only. We are not financing the land that it sits on. So it's like a car. When you go finance a car, you're just financing the car. You're not financing the road, right? With a traditional loan, you are financing the home and the land.
So we do have a couple different ways that you can qualify for a type of loan like this, but how would someone start, or what are the basic qualifications?
The home has to be after 1976 on the leased land. We have a lot of
What
different
was the
options.
date? There's a specific date, right?
June 15th, 1976. So that makes it HUD compliant, and then we can do the loan, and we have several options for that. Number two is the home has to be in an approved community. So we need to make sure that there's no issues with that home, and we have to follow a checklist, and we make sure that it meets all the requirements.
And then third, we have to make sure that they have a specific minimum credit score.
Yes, the credit scores on this program for a primary residence are 660, and for a secondary or a vacation home, it is 700.
And the final thing is to make sure that your debt to income ratio works.
Yes, and how we calculate that debt to income ratio, there is a first ratio, which is your housing ratio, and that is 34% of your income. And what that means is
that means 34% is the highest that they'll allow.
Yes, the highest that they'll
Right.
allow. So that's your principal and interest, your taxes, your insurance, and the lot fee.
Mm-hmm.
Then the second part of that is we're doing the 45% debt to income ratio, and that is overall. So that's your housing plus all of your debt monthly, meaning your credit cards, your installment loans, and your car payments.
Might sound a little confusing, but that's what we're here for. We're here to help you. We're going to look at your numbers, and we just need to make sure that those ratios, you don't exceed them, or you don't qualify for the product.
Right. Just give us a call, and we're happy to help. We'll run the numbers for you and see if you qualify.
And another key ingredient we need to talk about is the community acceptance agreement.
Yes, in any of these properties that are land lease, we have to get a community acceptance agreement from the manager of the community. So it's going to have your lot fee on it, and it's going to have you approved, and we need that in order to move forward.
Being along the Colorado River, there are different types of properties and different types of leased land. There is one particular that we cannot lend on, and that is?
That is tribal land. We cannot do tribal leases. The pros and cons of a community like this is, number one, the purchase price is lower, so it's more affordable to you. Number two, it is a lifestyle. So what you'll see in this community, you'll see the pools, you'll see the tennis courts, you'll see they've got a rec room, they've got billiards, they've got a post office, they've got, I don't know if they had a mini mart or not, but some of them do.
What are some of the negatives?
The negatives, the rates are going to be a little bit higher.
Just a little bit.
They're going to be higher because it's risk. There's higher risk because you don't own the land.
True.
You own the home, not the land. And so with that risk, the rates go up. So one of the other negatives are the appreciation of the home is much lower. So, and that's the case because we don't own the land. And the last con is the lot rent. So just like you have homes on land that pay HOA fees. You've got homes in the lease community that have lot fees. So it's very similar, same thing. They've got to pay for all of the amenities, and that's why you've got a lot fee.
Okay, now I think we're getting a little excited here, right?
We are. We're ready to go buy a house.
That's right. So what? So tell us
I'm
a little bit
excited.
tell us about the process. Like how does it go?
The process
From
is
here.
not that hard.
Okay.
So we're going to first do the pre-qualification. What that means is I'm going to ask you for your income, your assets. I'm going to see your debts. I'm going to look at your credit report, and we're going to find out if you qualify for this home. Once we qualify, then we send you off to the realtor to go start looking for homes.
Yay!
Yay! Once you find a home that you like and you want to put a bid in, you're going to give me that address. We're going to check to make sure it's in an approvable environment. And then we'll get the contract. Once we get the contract, then we can process your loan and get you into underwriting. What that means is once you go into underwriting, it goes into an investor, and the investor is going to approve you, right? We hope we get an approval, and then we're going to have conditions that we're going to have to meet, and that's when the appraisal has to be done as well.
Yep.
So once all of that happens and we clear your conditions, then we're off to closing, and we can buy a house.
And be prepared. You know, the process is, 30 to 45 days?
30 to 45 days.
Average,
yes.
and there will be times when we will have to ask you for additional documentation. It's just something you need to prepare for. Maybe you need an extra pay stub. You might need an extra bank statement. Just be aware. We're going to be your new best friend for those 30 days, 30 to 45 days. We're going to be on the phone updating you all the time. We're going to be emailing. You're going to be in constant communication with us.
Yes.
And we're so excited for you to potentially own a home on leased land.
Yay! This is going to be so exciting. It's going to be a great journey for you, and we're looking forward to working with you.
Absolutely. Oh, that was so good.
Cheers! Cheers!
It's windy.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Are you ready, Kay McCarthy?
I'm ready. People in Arizona, no, most banks. Is this going on the bloopers?
Probably. Deep breath.
Take 10. Okay. Woo.
All right. We are Mohave Mortgage, a local broker here. Right. I like that. That was sharp.
Ta-da. Okay.
Good afternoon, Bullhead City. The wind is 35 miles per hour today.
Right? And here we are at Long Bridge, and it's windy.